Good afternoon again, everybody. Dan with Senior E-Bike Nation. Hey, I wanted to show you this these fountains going. This is part of our riverscape here. It's pretty cool. They run them about 10 minutes out of the hour, I think is what it is. So they spend an awful lot of money on getting that them water fountains put in. So then they actually had to sue the company that started the project. They went out of business and they had to sue them. They had to hire another contractor to finish it up. But yeah, it's pretty cool little feature. So anyway, let's do a little ride around downtown here. I'm going to get down here and get on to the bike lane they have. Go down here where the crosswalk is so we can kind of cross over a little bit. Yeah, here is the bikeway we have here. I like to do a little riding downtown occasionally. It's what we're going to do today. But you can see I got my rear view camera on. That way I can see things coming up behind me as well. I don't use it too much on the bike trails or things like that, but I do use it a lot when I'm riding on city roads, downtown. I want that camera there. I have the mirror as well, but I really like the camera where I can really see things coming up. But yeah, the city here where I live, the downtown city of Dayton, Ohio, that's where I'm from. They have these bike lanes pretty much put all over the outskirts of the city downtown. So they did a very nice job where bikers can get out and use these bike lanes in a really safe manner. So that's really cool they did that. But we're going to go up here and ride around these apartments up here, and we'll cut through some areas through the downtown area so I can show you. They got some nice apartments down here nestled in along the river area here. Yeah, Caleb and I come down here and ride quite often, actually. We really like riding around the downtown area. We find out some really neat features and things that are interesting, like abandoned rail stations and things like that. It's pretty cool to come up on that kind of stuff. Cut across this area, didn't want to have to go around that big island, so we're good. We're back on the bike trail again, or shall I say the bike lane. kind of winding its way through downtown again. But yeah, this rear view camera comes in really handy when you're riding downtown. I mean, things are come up on you pretty quick on this camera, but you just got, it gives me another layer of protection when I'm riding down here. Going by the federal courts building down here, you see all the police cars and stuff. Yeah, I like all the new sights and stuff and things that I just don't see on an everyday basis. What you doing?
How fast did I go?
About 33. It'll move pretty good. Yeah, it takes about 6 hours to charge it. It's got 52 volt battery, so 17 amp hour. It's pretty fast. Always got people asking me questions about the bike, how fast it'll. First thing they want to know is how fast it'll go. More than anything else, which is really interesting. But again, that's younger crowd. They'll ask me those questions more than the older people. They want to know how dependable it is and how safe it is. But yeah, the younger crowd, they want to know how fast it'll go. First question they always ask me. But yeah, they pretty much got bike lanes all over down here. Now, a lot of it's shared with the street, the cars, but there's some areas that got off to the side where you can, it's a designated bike lane itself. Here's some of those scooters they rent out downtown here. I see them abandoned all over the place where they probably died, and they probably have to take them back and get them recharged wherever they charge them at. But they've got scooters that you can ride down here, and they got like city e-bikes. You can ride them down here too. They got an area, you'll see areas where they have them parked. Another scooter here probably died if I had to guess. Yeah, we'll just keep on riding down through the city here. Okay, we're also going to ride to an area of the city they call the Oregon District. It's an historical area. Actually, they had a mass shooting down here about, oh, I'm guessing it's close to 10 years ago. A guy came in there and opened up in this outdoor venue and killed like 9 people. So it's another one of those things that just happened, and City of Dayton police officers had that guy down and shot and killed within 2 minutes after they got the call. That's pretty impressive. That was one of the fastest responses they've seen on a mass shooting, where the shooter got neutralized, you may say, very quickly. So my hats is off to the City of Dayton Police Force for that. And this area has also got a lot of brick roads, so it's gonna be really bumpy here. But this whole area has got these brick roads. But again, it's an old area of town. And they put in some Thai places and a lot of other businesses they put in down here. But I kind of like to ride the outskirts of this. See all the beautiful homes they have that are historical homes. This is an historical district now here in our city. But yeah, we kind of see some neat, interesting things down through here. I mean, of course, we've got crime and stuff just like any other city. This is not a large city. City of Dayton's probably 80,000 people now, not counting the suburbs. So it used to be a lot larger when we had, love the color of that green building there. They did a nice job on rehabbing that place. And yeah, this used to be a General Motors town. We had 3 or 4 big GM plants here that they all, of course, outsourced to Mexico or whatever back in the late 80s. So we lost a lot of population due to those General Motors plants, and all their distributors moved out. So we did lose a lot there. But it's a really nice sized city to live in. It's just small enough, but it's not large where you just get lost in everything. But I just love these historical buildings they have down through here. I mean, they just did a really good job on remodeling all these, and as you can see, the construction container here, that's going on all over down here. They're just redoing everything. So they're getting ready to rehab that building right there. And we got an area that I can ride on down Wayne Avenue here, which is takes you back down into the University of Dayton area. I might do a little riding down through there. But it's just a nice little area to explore. But this is where that camera really comes in handy. I can see anybody behind me on this rear view camera. I think I'll be crossing over up here. Always use your arm signals and your hand signals when you're turning left. or right. You need to do that even on a bike. Lets everybody know what your intent is. We're going to turn right up here and head back to the Lower East End of Dayton. Yeah, I'm cruising along about 21 mile an hour in pedal assist 6. Very good cadence for me to be riding at. But the farther you get away from downtown, the areas become, shall I say, a little less nicer. But they got their normal businesses down through here. Not a whole lot of businesses down through here. A lot of them are closed. As you can see, the roads are not the greatest. But this makes for a nice little city ride for me. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I love doing these kind of videos. I get to get out and see some neat things that I have not seen before. I normally don't go up this road very often. But as you can see how quiet the bike rides, I mean, the motor is extremely quiet on this bike. Believe it or not, I'm still at 100% on the battery, and I've come about 13 miles. But this battery goes down in 25% increments. So when it goes down, it'll go down to 75 and 50 and on down. But I tell you, this bike has got an extremely powerful battery on it. I can easily get 35 miles to 40 miles on a charge on this bike. I have not tested that yet, but I know what it'll do. Yeah, we'll climb the hill up here and turn right and head on up towards home. But I hope you guys enjoyed this segment of the city ride. Like I said, I really do like getting out and doing these. I want to show you some different things other than the bike trails for sure. That's why I like doing these. probably stop the video right up here. I got a pretty good segment of the city here you guys got to see, so yeah, let's go ahead and we'll check out up here. Pull off up here in front of Lucy's Laundry here. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Put any comments down in the comment section what you think about me or the bike, or what you'd like to see me start to review and things of that nature. But anyway, share and like the video, hit that bell notification, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. On my final thoughts on today's ride downtown, the city ride, and on my Zota Zephyr. She did extremely well. I went 17.8 miles. Still got 75% of my battery. Could be anywhere from 75 to 60 because it goes down in 25% increments. But yeah, had a lot of fun today. We got to ride all the way through downtown and up the lower east end of the city, and here we are back home. But yeah, I'm gonna give this thing a 10 as far as the durability, speed, agility of the bike. I think it done extremely well. So anyway, if you guys got any final thoughts or comments, put them down in the comment section. Share and like the video, hit that bell notification, and smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video.